Hey guys, I'm going to do a little bit of review on a TinyScope cam. It's a microscope camera. Yeah, look at the packaging on that. Isn't that nice? Nice box. It also comes with a Wi-Fi connector. This is a 2 optical resolution, 13 megapixel. The magnification is about 1000x. Let's take a look inside. In the box you get a really nice manual that's very large text and very easy to read. You get a velvet bag, a quality control sticker, a lens cleaner, the little pipettes for water samples. There's about 3 of them in there. USB Type-C cable. Usually it'd be in the box. I took it out. I couldn't get it back in. And these connectors here, if you want to go from, instead of to the Wi-Fi box, you want to go direct to like a laptop or a just to your phone. One's a Type-C and the other one is micro USB. This is your TinyScope. It's about the size of a business card. It does have a heat sink in the back, but it's slotted so it can breathe. I don't think the CCD would produce enough heat that would require that. That's probably for the ring light that would get that. Anything over 4K would generates a lot of heat with CCD, and this is definitely not 4K. What else we got? These slides. These slides basically are for liquid. There's an air gap in there and 2 holes on each end where you'd squish the liquid in and the air would pop out the other end. And they come in different sizes. That's 0.5 millimeters, 0.03 millimeters, 0.3 millimeters, and 0.2 millimeters. I mean, they're good, but I don't think they could really replace the old glass ones. Because if you get stuff in there, how do you get the debris out of it, right? You can't pull this, can't pull them apart. So they're all right. What else we got? We got some samples here. This is what is it? No idea. I can't read that. It's in blue. This is cabbage leaf. Dragonfly wing, lily pollen, and the one that I couldn't read was pigeon feather. We'll check those out when we get it up and running. Okay, get this out of the way. Unpack the Wi-Fi box. You get a manual with that. A warranty card, and this is nicely packed. This actually carries a battery in it too as well, and you would charge, I've already charged it up, but you would charge this up, and then you just you'd follow the instructions and download the app off Google Play. It's just basically, it's just TinyScope. It's just the name of it is TinyScope, the app, and it's the only one they have. You download that and install it, and you push that and it powers up the TinyScope. You take your phone, and what you're going to do now is you're going to go to your Wi-Fi and you're going to look for, it'll say TinyScope and it'll have some digits or numbers. You have to give it a minute to pop up. There it is, TinyScope FA203666. You go there and you go connect, and then what you do is you type in 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and you connect from there. Once that's connected, you open up your app, hit the middle center button there. This one here says camera. That's TinyScope. That will actually work with the camera on the phone. This one on the bottom here says Wi-Fi connection. That's for the Microscope cam, and there you go. It's working. Put a sample on there. There you go. Give me a minute. We'll get set up and do some test shots. Okay, one thing it does have is it has this connector on the side here that's got magnets in it. One side's black and one side's white, depending on what you need, whatever makes the sample show up better. I'm trying to get the feathers to work. Now, one thing I do find is it works better when you're pointing it towards the counter, and you can make adjustments here. Right now it's on white balance, everything else, focus. You can take it off of auto. Auto's the best. Let's try something else. Lily pollen. I'll try that in the black. You can see it. Like I said, I find it better when you put it on the on the bench like that and point it down. Really shows up well there. See how well that shows up? It's a wing. What else we got here? It's pretty cool, eh? You can do other things like my static mat. You can see all the debris in there. It's brutal. I got a plant. Let me go get a piece of the plant and we'll try that. Okay, I honestly don't have anything else. Like, I have no bugs, or I can't go, it's the middle of winter, I can't go out and get bugs, or stagnant water with anything floating in it because everything's frozen. So, but I do have plants, house plants, and if we do a close-up of that, you can literally see the little hairs on the leaf. That is nuts. Oh wow, you can even see the veins. You can see them change color. That is cool. Yeah, it's a nice microscope. The little hairs on the end of that. You never see that with anything else. That is cool. Anyway, I figured I'd show that. It's a nice product. I'm happy he sent it out. I'm going to have a lot of fun playing with it. There you guys.